Hello guys, today I'll make some quick review about RD210-X versions. Here in front of you is all part of the RD210-X. Okay, here is the frame. I will be using DYS SE2205 to 300 kV. I will be using KISS FC. This one is KISS FC. This is XM30 DYS ESC version. I will be using xiomiyi camera, and this one is the top plate of the RD210-X. This is quite beautiful. I'll be using AOMWAY 200 milliwatt, and this is Foxer HS1157. They will give you LiPo strap FPV-RECONN, and this is all hex, nylon stand, all screws, X4R sbus. Okay, now this is actually how it looks like when you finish assemble this frame and all the electronic parts. You can see here it's very neat and very beautiful. All weights is about 590 grams with the xiomiyi cam. This looks pretty good. Let's see how it's fly.